Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix your Viber activation fail issue on your device. So basically, this kind of issue occurs. So when you're trying to create a Viber account, you're not able to activate your account or you're unable to receive a verification code. In order to fix your Viber activation issue, first thing you need to do is make sure that you've provided a correct phone number or a valid phone number. And after that, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can either try signing up with your email address. After that, you might be able to receive your verification code. If you've provided a correct phone number or a valid phone number, and if you're still unable to do it, then the other major problem might be your internet connection. If you have an unstable internet connection, then it might be one of the reasons why you're not able to activate your Viber account. So you can either switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and after that you might be able to fix it. In case you're still unable to sign up, then you can simply change your phone number and you might be able to fix it. And those are the method on how you can fix the activation failed issue on Viber. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.